Materials you need: XFasten window privacy film, glass cleaner, XFasten tailor scissors, XFasten craft knife, squeegee or flattening tool, microfiber towel, marker. Clean the windows using a glass cleaner to remove any dust or dirt. Wipe it off using a clean microfiber towel. Measure the length and the width of your window pane. Make sure to note down the measurements so you'll have reference for later. Mark out the window size with at least 0.5 inch extra on width and length. Cut the window film to size. Peel off the backing. Mist the entire back of the window privacy film using a spray bottle. Spray water on the entire window pane. Make sure that it's completely wet. Install the film on the window. Make sure to eliminate any air bubbles using a squeegee or any flattening tool as you go. Trim the excess edges using a craft knife.